kindergarten! This week we read a story about Pete the Cat and Thanksgiving. So today we're going to make our own Pete the Cat. It's going to look like this when it's all put together. Okay, so you have a pile of pieces in your folder with everything you will need. Okay, so you're going to need to either do this with a grown-up or you're going to need to pause the video and do one piece at a time. Okay, so the first step you're going to need to do is you need to find your Pete head. Okay, you'll notice that this is Pete's chin, just like this is my chin. It's the pointier part of my face. So go ahead and put it down in front of you so Pete's chin is pointing to your belly button. Go ahead, press pause until you can do that. Okay, so you've put Pete's head and it's pointing at your belly button. Now you're going to find Pete's hat. Go ahead and find Pete's hat and cut it out. Go ahead. Good job. So you found Pete's hat and you have cut it out. Put it aside. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is find the white strip, the white rectangle, and you're going to cut that out. That's the piece that goes on Pete's head. Okay. So find the white strip, the white triangle, cut it out, and put it aside. Press pause. Okay, next step. Find the white square. Find the yellow square. You'll see why I said white in a second. Find the yellow square. Okay, cut it out and put it aside. Press pause. Next, find the white square. There's the white square. Find your white square. Cut it out. Okay, press pause until you're finished. All right, so you've cut out your black hat, your white rectangle, your yellow or gold colored rectangle, and your white square. Okay, you're going to start by finding your black hat and gluing that near the top of Pete's head. Go ahead. Glue your black hat near the top of Pete's head. Just a little bit of glue right on this part of the hat. Go ahead. Press pause. The next thing you're going to do is put your white piece of paper, the white rectangle, right here, okay, across Pete's hat and glue it down. Okay, so press pause and go ahead and do that. All right, the next step is you're going to put your gold rectangle down and glue it onto the white stripe. Press pause, go ahead and do that. Glue down your yellow square. Okay. And then once you've glued down your yellow square, glue down your white square right on top. And now we're both at the same spot, okay? Press pause if you need to. Okay, now it's time to add Pete's eyes. So find the yellow piece of paper with Pete's big eyes, and you're going to need to cut them out. So press pause and cut out Pete's eyes. Okay, now that you've cut out Pete's eyes, go ahead and glue them on his face. Okay, press pause and come back when you're finished. After you've glued his yellow part of his eyes, I need you to now find the black eyes. Find the black eyes, and you're going to cut them out. Go ahead and press pause. Okay, if you're back, it's because you cut out his black parts of his eyes. You're going to glue those onto the top part, this is hard to do, of Pete's eye. I will show you. Get my glue. I'm always gluing on the back. You're taking your time. Don't rush. So I'm going to, let's go this way because it's less glary. The glue is on the back, and I'm going to glue it right up on the top of his eye there, and I'm going to push it down. I'm going to do that for both eyes, so press pause and go ahead and do that. Okay, it's starting to definitely look like Pete. The next thing we need to do is add the white part of Pete's eyes. So find the white part of Pete's eyes, cut them out, okay? Press pause. Once you have them cut out, you're going to add them on top of the black part of Pete's eyes. So watch me. So I have them cut out, the white parts, and I'm going to add them right here, right on top of this black part on both eyes. Okay, go ahead and press pause. All right, we're back. We have 3 more pieces to add. You are going to find Pete's nose. Okay, find your piece. We're down to a couple pieces. Pete's nose. Uh-oh, what happens if I lost one of these pieces? Can I use crayons or a marker? Absolutely. Okay, Pete's nose, go ahead and cut it out. And once you, so go ahead and press pause. Okay. All right, if you're back, it's because you cut out Pete's nose. Okay, so once I have Pete's nose, I'm going to put glue on the back of it. And I'm going to put it on his face, maybe down a little bit, kind of like right in the middle, sort of right in between his eyes. And then, oh yeah, we're gonna, you know what? Pete is symmetrical, so his face is the same on one side as it is on the other side, just like we talked about with some of our things. So I'm gonna put his nose right down. Oh, mine was not right down the middle. I'm gonna fix that. There we go. Okay, that's better. Now his nose is kind of right in between. Okay, so go ahead and glue down your nose. Press pause if you need to. All right, the last thing we're going to do today is glue on his ears. This is the one time the glue is going to go on the front of our piece. Okay, so find your ear. Put the glue here down the bottom of the triangle. I always go to the side where it's too bright. So the glue is here. I'm going to put it behind his hat so it glues to his hat. See that? So I put the glue in the front this time, and I put it right here. I squish it down. Okay? Take your time. Looks like that. Pause the video, glue your eye, and that's it. That's our Thanksgiving Pete. I can't wait to see your Pete the Cats. I hope you had fun making Pete. Have a good afternoon.